Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Posh K Beauty here again with another video. This is going to be another unboxing since I've been getting a lot of feedback from you guys. It seems like you all really enjoy those type of videos. So today I'm going to be unboxing this Dezi sunglasses and I'm going to be reviewing it. I just got this in the mail. This is one of the newer collections. This is the second launch, I believe. And I'm going to show a close-up of me like taking it out of the box. I'm going to show trying it on, comparison prices, and so on and so forth. So if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear.
So the color that I picked up in this Dez-Nudo collection is a stone color. It's in the style called Backtrack, and this sunglasses is so unique because it's matte on the outside, and the frame is a terracotta fade lens. And if you see the detailing, Dezi, kudos to you. You really paid attention to detailing. If you look here on the innermost corner, there's her signature and her name on the inside, and the style is on this side as well. And if you notice, the inner portion of the frame is like a shiny material because of course, those of us who wear makeup all the time. So that's really good. So let's talk about pricing. So this sunglasses retails for $85, and I'll have a comparison and screenshot right next to me. This is quite reasonable for frame. If you know, she had a collaboration with Key, and her sunglasses range from $65 to $75, which was pretty reasonable given other high-end frames who are kind of given the same look. And I'm going to compare it to my Loewe sunglasses that I just purchased back in September. And a lot of people are saying her style of sunglasses is really unique, but it looks almost identical to my Loewe sunglasses. If you look here, these are the two. They're side by side. If you see, they're quite similar. And I'll have another frame of me showing the styles next to each other, the detailing. They're both very flat. And if you look even down to the legs of the glasses. So I'll try them both on so you see them both on me. Even though this video is about the Backtrack frame, I'm going to show both so you see the similarities and differences. And I agree, this pricing is really reasonable because my Loewe sunglasses is $390, so that's a third of the price. So now I'm going to try it on. So these are the frame when they're on. So posh. I love it. It's just like I'm here, and it's giving purr. It's giving life. So this is how they look on. They're really comfortable. My lashes aren't hitting the actual frame, and that's another issue that I run into with a lot of frames that I have, is my lashes hitting it. So they're lash approved. They're a little stiff and a little tight on my face. I don't know if it's because I have a big face, but it's a little snug on my face. But they're serving looks. So that's the frame on, and I do plan on putting my prescription in them because that's what I normally do. And I'll really quickly show you my Loewe glasses so you guys can see what they look like on and how they look similar. And these do have my prescription in them. So this is how they look. These are my favorite glasses at the moment. But yeah, these are good. I can actually see myself With these, I can't really see, but I'm sure I look fire with them because they're very, very, very similar. I also would like to note, this is a really minor detail, but it's so important. If you look on the very inner portion where the nose bridge is, she has plastic on it instead of the actual separated one where it creases your makeup. So she really kept that in mind, and I love that. It's just the minor details that she really put into this frame, which makes it great. And then again, I just want to highlight the matte finish at the very front and the sides. It's really nice. And I 100% think this was worth it. I believe she came out with this, like she relaunched the sunglasses once again. They're serving looks, but I believe it sold out as soon as she relaunched it. So if you can get your hands on these, I really recommend that you do, because they're just so cute. Yeah, so they're really cute. I do recommend. Again, they are very similar to these. If you're thinking about purchasing this Loewe glasses, I definitely say try these first. She does have 2 other colors. The one of the colors that she has are just like these. It's a tortoise shell rim and the fade lens, and I really recommend. These are a go for me. If you like this video or want to see more unboxing videos, give me a thumbs up and comment and like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. My man is your man, her, that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday.